This is our Grade 1 shopping mall. So during our unit of inquiry on how to organize ourselves, students learned about trade and through systems of how you trade money to get your needs and wants. And so we took a trip to the Dream Square shopping mall, and this is the result. They wanted to create their own shopping mall, create their own products and services. We have things like nail salons. We have things like coffee shops.
We're painting other people's nails and sticking these stickers. We learn how to paint other people's nails. It's almost gonna be Christmas. I made a candy cane and the light for the tree.
The kids really dived in and created products that are priceless and just organized everything step by step.
Our shop is animal toy shop. That nobody loves koala. Nobody bought it, so I turned it into free. I learned about shops. I'm selling some houses and some towers and some animals. I learned goods and service because I like bread. Big bread and long bread.
They worked on this for about 6 weeks, so it has been an awesome transition from lines of inquiry, questions like where does money come from, for them really understanding that money is traded through a trade in a system. You have consumers, you have business owners, and that flow of money, and so they really got a hands-on experience. Parents are here. It's just an awesome time.